Alright guys, I am driving pretty much on the northeast of Georgia. It's in Beaufort. It's a
1 mile, make a left turn on Sawney Avenue.
It's a really nice location. I love it. And we're about to pick up Gatwin. Let me put the Google Maps because this lady is annoying. The one of the Uber Maps. Alright, says that we're 2 minutes away. And let's see how this ride goes. When you are driving for Uber and moving people around, you can expect everything. Like I have multiple different experiences. Some of them are really funny, some of them are not that funny, some of them are actually kind of bad experience too. So I hope this one is a good one. I'm recording while I'm driving too, just to see how beautiful this is. I'm gonna try to upload my driving camera. Alright, and it seems that I'm gonna get this person from a school. You know, there's a Uber or Lyft. We are not supposed to take teenagers or under minors without with an adult. So let's hope this guy right here is not a minor, so that I don't have to deny the trip. Approaching. All right. God, this is not part of the school, and he's not a minor, so. I say he. He's a she. She's not a minor. All right. How you doing? Good. Yes. Godwin?
Yes.
How you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Head to your drop-off at 2705 Mall of Georgia Boulevard.
I'm sorry, it's a little loud, huh? Yeah, I have to put Google Maps because the lady from Google, the Uber Maps is a little loud. Yeah. It's another hot day, huh?
Oh, yeah. Getting used to it.
But this is fall, isn't it? Like, are we still in summer or what? And then what it sucks is we only gonna get like 2 weeks of fall and that's it. And then winter will come.
You really cannot predict anything these days.
Right? That's crazy.
It's, for me, it further confirms that we are really not in control of a lot of things.
We're not.
There's certain things we are not in control of.
And I don't know if you have noticed that a lot of people says the same about the weather in everywhere, no matter where you are.
Yeah.
Like they say, only this happens here. No, that happens everywhere. Yeah. I saw a video this morning, something about it snowing in Texas.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I was like, oh my God, is this for real?
That place is so hot.
Right? Every time I picture Texas, that's what I pictured. Like no trees, Is those little grass balls rolling around?
Like I'm from Nigeria and it's hot, you know. But
Yeah.
when I stayed in Texas, I was like, oh my God, this is hotter than Nigeria.
Right, that's
It's
crazy.
really hot.
Yeah. How long you been here?
About 3 years.
Oh, cool.
Been leaving, but I've always been coming to the United States and back.
So you back and forward. You got family there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. How long is the trip flying there?
Wow. If you do a straight, a non-stop flight is gonna be about 12, 13 hours. I think.
Ah, that's a long flight.
It is.
You know, I hate flying. I try not to fly ever. And now imagine being all those hours on the air. No.
I just put my mind together and just, you know, whatever.
I would just be taking just like sleeping medicine, something just to be sleeping through the whole trip.
I sleep a lot.
You tried to, right?
Yeah, I actually sleep. I love night flights though, because you just
You actually can rest.
Mm-hmm.
But 13 hours, that's a long trip.
Yeah, I've done that about
Oh.
twice or thrice,
Oh.
and other times I've had to break it. You know, and sometimes when you have like 2-3 stops, you also don't want to do that because you get really tired.
Uh-huh.
So one stop is okay. You know, just one stop is okay.
And sometimes you have to wait in the airport, right?
Yes.
To get to
That
the
is-
other
we
one.
call it a stopover. You know, so
Yeah.
wait, you know, to board the next flight.
Is it expensive to fly there?
To fly,
Yeah.
it's expensive flying now. Yes, to Nigeria it is. To Africa, and out of the US, I believe you're going out of your primary residence, like a continent, going into another continent.
It's
Definitely it's gonna be
expensive, right?
Generally, it's expensive now all over the world.
Yeah, I have a friend that she was flying to, what was it? It was not China, it was an Asian country.
And then it depends on the timing of the year, like the peak seasons when people are really traveling, like during the festive seasons.
Yeah, I bet the price goes twice.
Yes, you know, so you wanna fly on a budget. You go when you know it's not peak
When it's
period.
not busy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You know, that's the only reason I want to work in freaking airline, like working for Delta, because I know I will be able to fly for free. Right?
You're gonna get tired of being in the sky, aren't you?
I know. Nigeria. It sounds like an interesting country.
Yeah, it is.
It is. When was the last time you were there?
Oh well, it's about 2 years now.
2 years? That's so cool. I'm from Mexico, from Tijuana. And I haven't been there like in a few years. I have to go and visit my family there. And it's not as far from Nigeria.
I know.
Yeah, it's only like
Oh,
4 or 5 hours
I
flying.
know. Mexico is just here. I know.
Yeah, so what's my excuse?
Mexico is like between the central and south of America.
Mexico
Yeah, it's in the south central.
is well,
There's a
Mexico
part of
is
it that is.
it's a big country.
Yeah.
It's in Latin American,
I know.
and it starts from California,
Mm-hmm.
and it takes part of the Gulf of Mexico. I think below Texas, I think, and it goes all the way down
Mm-hmm.
until you find Guatemala. Yeah.
I think I've tasted some of their food. I like it.
Oh, Mexican food?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They have all these lovely, I don't know what to call them, all these wraps.
The wraps,
Yeah, I don't know their names, but I always see
the tacos.
Taco. Oh, yeah.
Have you tried the authentic tacos, like the one that have cilantro and onions on top?
I don't know. I don't know,
Yeah.
but I know I've eaten a lot.
You know, because if you go to restaurants here, you're gonna find two kinds of restaurants. One that is like Tex-Mex food, which is not authentic Mexican food,
Oh.
and the one that is authentic Mexican food.
How do you know the one?
Okay, there's a lot of things that you can see. Like if you see a lot of Mexican customers going to a restaurant, that's for sure an authentic Mexican restaurant. So, and you can see the names too. Like if you see like a really Mexican name, and the food is totally different. Like it's so. Oh my God, I love Mexican
It's actually
food.
different because here American food is like just normal chicken, bread,
And fry stuff, and then they
I'm so
take.
sick of fries.
Yeah, and then they take the mac and cheese,
my
mashed potato, and
I
then
don't know what they're so crazy about mac and cheese. I'm like, the first day I tasted it, I was like, what is this?
the kids
Everyone
love
was
mac
talking
and cheese though.
What is this? It didn't have any
And nuggets.
flavor to me.
There is a lot of good American food, but you have to be like
They borrow their foods from every other part of the world. They do not have a
They don't have
culture,
nothing
so to
authentic.
say. Like you know Chinese food, you know Indian food, I know Mexican
Yeah.
food.
I love Indian food too.
You know Indian food is great.
It's
you know
good.
Italian food, but American is nothing to it. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, when you go to authentic Mexican food, you ask for it. You will see when they're authentic tacos when they ask you to put cilantro and onions on top. Yeah, and they have different kind of meat, like steak. They call
Yeah.
it asada or tripa, or they're delicious.
I know. I love Mexican. I love Indian. I love Korean food. Anything towards Asia, Pan Asian.
Korean is good too. I like
Hispanic.
Korean food.
Nice.
Yeah, Korean and Indian food, I love it.
Yeah. Oh,
Indian is delicious.
Really good.
And my mind was kind of like switched because I never thought I would like Indian food until my wife took me to an authentic Indian restaurant. Authentic Indian restaurant. It was delicious. It was like, oh my God. And we were going all the time there.
They're so good. They don't joke with spices.
It is, yeah. They eat a
Spicy.
spicy, I know. Like their American food copy a lot of Italian food because they love pastas.
Borrow from everywhere.
Yeah.
And that really is the truth, the reality in American society. What makes America is the different people that come around and make it colorful.
Mhm. That's what United States is.
Yes.
It's just a multicultural
Yes.
country.
You take away all the immigrants.
Yeah, you take away all the stereotypes too.
Yes.
Like that's what makes American great.
Yes.
Talking about tacos and Mexican food made me hungry now. Oh God.
I'm sorry.
There's a authentic Mexican dish. I haven't seen them here in restaurants because it's hard to make. It's really hard to make, and I don't think it will be like to make in a restaurant would not be like for them good because it's a lot of work to put on.
It could be expensive, right?
Yeah, it's called mole. Oh my God, I miss mole. And there's another dish that my mom cooks really good, but she have to start cooking it a day before.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it calls menudo. Oh my God, I
It's a
love
lot.
that. There's a lot of work on it, but it's worthy.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm sure that would really taste good if you have to start a day before.
Yeah, you have to. You have to, yeah. There's so many authentic. Like when I go to Mexico, that's all I'm gonna be eating, just like. Because you can find here like authentic Mexican restaurants, but they don't cook all that food that requires a lot of like work
Everything is
on.
fast.
You have to be faster, yeah. What's the name of this city? Is it Beaufort?
Yes.
It's Beaufort?
Yes.
There's a lot of Hispanic people here, right? In
They have
Beaufort?
Hispanic people everywhere.
Yeah, everybody's growing.
But I've seen a lot of Hispanic people here.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming from the south. It's like an hour and a half or an hour from the south. And we know Beaufort is a place where there's a lot of Hispanic people.
Even in my
But when you see all those Hispanics going to eat and coming all of the same time from a restaurant, that's an authentic Mexican restaurant. That's for sure. Oh, I have to turn here, huh? Is this a mall?
Yeah, this side. No, not here. Here.
Oh, this is the mall?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
All the way down is the mall.
All the way down?
Yeah.
It's a big mall, huh?
Yeah, it is.
It's really fancy.
And that's the biggest mall in the south. It's really big.
It is, yeah.
There's one near here.
Because I keep driving, I keep seeing signs of it. Like, all right.
So you go left.
Left?
Yeah.
Left, okay.
You're gonna take the middle gate.
All right. You literally live next to the mall, huh?
Uh-huh. I stroll down sometimes. Let me get you the key.
All right.
Here you go.
There
Just
you go.
about 10 minutes walk.
And that's good exercise.
Oh, of course. I do that in the mornings.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, when
That's
it's
good.
not sunny,
You get like a lot of restaurants inside of the mall too.
Oh, yes.
Keep going straight.
No, sorry.
Left, all right.
Yeah, but you get tired of it. Maybe because I go to the mall a lot. It's super close to me.
These apartments are cute.
Yeah.
They're
You
cute.
Keep going straight beside a white van.
All right.
Yes.
This one right here.
Yes.
All right. And you have an amazing day, okay?
And you too.
Nice to meet you. Have a great one.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, guys. We just complete the Uber X, rate the rider, and we're good to go. At the bottom of the screen say I'm in a slow area, so it's not worth it for me to stay here a little longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive to a place that I can get more requests. And